Test, test. Nhớ rằng, Kulun Beho Ying. My name is Ying. I am a singer-songwriter, or I want to be a singer-songwriter. I'm not really officially a singer-songwriter, but today I'm going to be singing 3 songs. I really appreciate coming here. Thanks for the invite, chat. Without further ado, the first song I'm going to be singing is called Zamong. Here we go. Yeah, it's only 2 minutes long. Wish it was longer. Alright, so this next song, let me pull out the cable. This next song is called Yeonjong. If you guys ever heard the Luya version, this is like a variation. The melody is the same, but the lyrics are different. So, and it's not written by me. It's written by someone named Tu Portion. He wrote the lyrics. So I'm just kind of covering this song. Alright. This last song is actually an original of mine. I wrote it after my grandpa passed away, so it's kind of an emotional song for me, and it's kind of long, but I hope you guys all enjoy. I don't really have a title for it yet. I just call it my grandpa song, so.
Just like there's only known what Yakachi High Ilo the Goya Champeño Chimulang Tayo Sila Usate ko yun yobong Bigyomin nyo bilang lunes Tashilo dojo ko munsan Munyo siyang duko taitsi Togo shadow galaxy So galo domenyo Bechochi Togo sako Golo obe sido Lagochi no Baby, oh, ito mo na Mo iludong chimokanyo Ang tiyong lasyong dekapatay Yachimo ko besile Mo puto mo Chopogo There's only going to cry Land up in your dolly boo Later go, they go, Luku Togo Shadow Galaxy Togalo Domenyo Bechochi Togo Sako Golo Obe Sito Lagochi no
Thank you, everybody. That's it. Thanks, guys.